We'll guide you through how to sign in to Gumroad. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Gumroad website on your desktop browser. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Log In button, which you'll usually find in the top right corner of the page. Click on it, and you'll be directed to the login page. Here, you'll see options to enter your email and password. Type in the email address associated with your Gumroad account in the email field. Make sure you enter it correctly to avoid any login issues. Next, move on to the password field and carefully type in your password. If you have trouble remembering your password, there's a Forgot Password link right below the password field that you can click on to reset it. After you've entered your email and password, click the Login button to access your account. If you've enabled two-factor authentication for extra security, you'll be prompted to enter a code that will be sent to your email or phone. Make sure to enter this code accurately to complete the login process. Once logged in, you'll be taken to your Gumroad dashboard where you can manage your products, view analytics, or make any necessary updates to your account. Having trouble logging in? Double-check your email and password for typos, and ensure your internet connection is stable. If issues persist, you might want to reach out to Gumroad support for further assistance. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.